In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the WoolBuddy 24 Colors Wool Mix Kit. Hi everyone and welcome to today's video, WoolBuddy's 24 Colors Wool Mix Kit. My name is Iceland and on this channel, SnowflakeForest Felting, I share needle felting videos, tutorials, kits like this one, and more. So if you're new, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see on this channel, be sure and check those links down in the description below or leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you there. Also, if you find this video helpful today, thanks are open. Leave a comment, share it where you can. It really does make a difference. Now, let's get to this WoolBuddy kit. So let's take a look at the outside of the box first. It shows you right here everything that's in it. Includes links to online videos, engaging and easy to learn for all experience levels, great for needle felting, spinning, and wet felting, and then WoolBuddy.com. 100% eco-friendly, no plastic, recyclable box. Nice little sticker. We're the first ones opening this box. Imagine they've sold a lot of these. I hope you enjoy your kit, and a thank you, invite to a class with a coupon. Nice big instructions here. I have 2 of their carders, which I'm excited to share with you in an upcoming video. I used them a decent amount and I'm really happy with them. They use theirs for mixing. Doing 2 different. I've always done it by hand. It is a very effective way though. Lots of color combos. I'm so excited to be sharing a lot of colors. So this is 24. Right away it's very silky soft. There's a sheen to it. This is a good array of colors. Let's unroll one of these. Very short fibers. I wish I had some of my wool handy to contrast it and show you like how much longer the fibers are. I love this color combination. I love all these options. This is a great set of colors here. The wool, I don't know. This is great beginner wool. This works. This is good wool. It makes me really happy with the wool that I've been working on. If some of you try it, reach out to me, let me know your thoughts if you've used other wool, where it lines up and how happy you are with it. I feel like I should felt a little of this for you all in this video, just to see how this wool felt, to give it kind of just another perspective here. Since it did not come with a little, I felt there might be a felting pad in it. I do have one of their felting mats to test as well, which will be neat. I'll be sharing that in a video. I like that there's a white in this kit. It's pretty creamy. Look at that. Felt wonderfully. So in my honest opinion, it's not the highest quality fiber, but it is good fiber. It is good wool. Thinking just a little mushroom here. There we go. Now I can show you how this wool felt. And that shows you there, I barely made a dent into any of this wool, how much stuff can be made with a little set like this. I think this is actually, like, as I was sitting here felting, a really nice addition to any collection. These are some great color options, whether you're using it to even add detail, something simple like a specific color for a mushroom top. You've got some bright tones, you've got the earth tones, which is really nice if you're doing any animal critter stuff. Flowers, hearts. You could have a lot of fun with a kit like this. So that's that. Imagine how many little ornaments you could make. I love the plums and the purples that are in this kit. That is a wonderful red. If you were just getting into felting and want to try it, you would only need like 3 colors. Give a couple hearts, a set of needles, and a foam pad, good to go. Can't go wrong with this kit, that's for sure. Thank you, WoolBuddy, for sending this to me and allowing me to share it with everyone here on this channel. And don't forget, this is linked for you down in the description below. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new and that it was helpful about this kit. I have a few other kits I'm going to be testing and sharing with you as well on this channel. I'll be sure and link that playlist down in the description below so you can go and check it out, the other kits that are out there. Thank you again so much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Check those links down below. And if there's something you'd like to see me felt next, drop it down in the comments. I might just make it. I'll see you in the next one. Happy felting! Bye!